So when I first got the car, the gas gauge didn't work. None of the gauges worked except for water temp and maybe oil pressure. It looked like it was working, not sure. Haven't driven it long enough though, but gas gauge definitely doesn't work. I started going through wires, and there's this negative back here unhooked. And I'm assuming it's because I don't see a negative on the fuel sending unit. I'm gonna hook it up and see what happens. Classic rock in general is a must-have in the garage when working on the car. You guys listen to when you're working on a car? Put it in the comments. Look at that, Pink Floyd, Def Leppard, Scorpions, Tom Petty. Good stuff. Key back on. See what happens. So, alright, I think that might be it. Turn it on. I know there's barely any gas in the tank, so it's when I turn it on, the needle goes like this much. So, but still, that little bit of movement makes me think it may be working. But I know it's damn near out of gas. I'll put more in it. See if I can get the needle to come up. Today is a small project, but needs to be done anyway. Got new connectors and lines for the battery. I found these multi-posts. They're gonna work out good. Eventually, I'll be putting a stereo in it and air ride down the road. So it's got extra ports for power wires, which is kind of nice. And they come with these clear waterproof clips to keep it from shorting out or arcing if I'm working on it or touch it with a wrench or something. So that's today's project right now.